Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get mints in Pokémon Violet. Mints are incredibly useful items that can significantly impact your Pokémon's performance in battles. They allow you to change a Pokémon's nature, which in turn modifies its stat growth. This means you can optimize your Pokémon by ensuring it has the best possible nature for its intended role, making your team much stronger. The most straightforward way to get mints is by purchasing them from Chansey supply stores. You'll find these shops in various towns across the Paldea region. Each mint will cost you 20,000 Pokémon dollars, so start saving up. Remember, you'll need to have earned at least 6 gym badges before these valuable items become available for purchase. If you prefer to save your Pokémon dollars, you can also find mints scattered across the Paldea region. Keep an eye out for sparkling items on the ground, as these often turn out to be valuable mints. Wild areas, particularly around the challenging Area 0, are great places to search. Different mints tend to appear more frequently in specific locations, so explore thoroughly. Once you have a mint, using it is simple. Just open your bag, navigate to the Other Items section, and select the mint you wish to use. Then, choose the Pokémon whose nature you want to change. It's a quick way to fine-tune your team. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.